historical Tombstone, Arizona. Apologize for the wind. It is super windy today. Welcome on this adventure. Come with me. We'll have a good time. This street here is pretty much tried to keep as historical as possible over the years. It's pretty amazing. Oh, you can smell the leather. Custom saddles. Try to get in there a little bit. Really cool stuff. Halloween decorations. Sometimes it's hard to tell if they're actors or if they're people just getting in the festivities, dressing up. Wow, wood carvings and burning. That's an old style there. Mini railroad. Wow, this old style Indian jewelry. Really pretty stuff. This is my stop. Got up on it quicker than I thought. work. Apologize for the wind, any noise, but here's the Longhorn restaurant. This is where I'm going to be eating for the day. Has all kinds of good stuff. I can already smell the food. Pretty amazing. So much history here that's just, it's like a time capsule. Old roots. Alrighty, let's go eat. Here it is, the Pioneer. It's like a, take this out here. Mushroom Swiss burger with bacon and a garlic aioli and some French fries. Thanks for checking this out with Dish with RotoCommish. Well, I think I liked it. I just noticed something. Can you see that? It's an old mining pan. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of the Old West. It was all about building the railroads and mining. It's pretty cool.
I like it. You know.
Crystal Palace, that's cool. There she is, the Longhorn restaurant. Pretty good. The burger was super good. I'm a garlic fan, so I liked it. My first bite, though, I took a step back because it was pretty strong garlic taste. Oh, the dust. I don't know if you guys can see this on film or not, but the dust is crazy. Very windy day. Yeah, it's basically a mushroom Swiss burger with thick bacon slices and a garlic aioli sauce. And the garlic is not minced up that finely, so it's like you bite into like solid pieces of garlic. So personally, I like that. I know a lot of people don't. Yeah, if you can see that dust going everywhere. But yeah, I highly recommend it. It was really, really good. Not too bad in prices for today's standards. Wow, look at this old piano. Sorry about the wind, guys. I hope the audio is okay. That is a cool old piano. Now they have places here that you can actually dress up in Western gear and then get an old-fashioned picture taken. I did this with my parents and with my ex-wife many years ago when my oldest daughter was born. She wasn't too old when we came here and got a picture taken. Now, keep on walking here. But they have all kinds of stuff. If you want cowboy stuff, they got it. If you want ice cream, they have it. A bunch of bars. hotels, motels, a lot of small mom and pop places. Now, what we got here, if anybody knows the history of Tombstone, you're familiar with the Birdcage Theater. Very historic. It's preserved since 1881. That's just amazing. Just amazing.
No, it's like
Let's go in and take a look. Wow, that old staircase. Oh wow, Josie. Marcus Earp, founder of Tombstone, right there. Boot Hill Cemetery, that's where we're going next. Whoops. How's it going, sir?
Going good. How are you?
Pretty good. I'm just admiring all the history. How long have you been here?
About 6 years.
6 years? I haven't been in a while and I've missed it. Different badges. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Whoops. Hit the wrong button. My apologies. Here's the old style photographs I was talking about. Get up here. Yeah, you can come here and get this done with your family and have an old picture done of your family. Ah, the glare. Oh, I could do a great a tombstone. I mean a casket shot that was very popular when someone popular that wanted dead or alive. That's how they did their photographs as proof of their death. Wow, this is cool. There's more of them. come on a Monday. So many places are closed on a Monday. Gunfight shows in the evenings, recreate the Corral shootout. Look at the view of those mountains in the background. Let's see if I can zoom in. Still learning how to do that. Anyhow, very, very beautiful area. I know I always complain about the heat. This is 2nd of October as I'm filming this, so the weather's about 85 degrees. It's super, super windy. The Crystal Palace. Next time I come back to Tombstone, I will be filming that. But yes, the Crystal Palace is a must to go. You come to Tombstone. You can do stagecoach rides. I don't recommend this in the 110 degree weather. So it's super, super hot in there and stuffy. But a day like today, or even colder, what a great experience. Moccasin shop. Now this is the shop where I goofed being a young dad. Took my oldest daughter to Tombstone, and guess what Dad forgot? Her shoes. So what I did, I was like, okay, we'll get her some moccasins. She can walk around in some moccasins. Yeah, she wanted no part of that. So I carried her everywhere. Wow, check out these hats. Wow, that is cool. What the heck? Darth Vader? That is so cool. I think Val Kilmer's more popular here than anywhere.
Howdy, folks. Welcome.
Now this is
the town that wouldn't die.
Ike Clayton's
few places in the Old West were as lively as
Haunted Hotel historic walkthrough.
You can visit our town's historical sites like the famous old Corral. But if you really want to experience the history of Tombstone,
Does anybody know who played Ike in the 1993 movie of Tombstone? Put it in the comments. Wow, these old style dresses. Can you imagine being 110 degrees outside and having to wear all that? Different times. Different times. You can smell the leather. Event here. I didn't come on the weekend on purpose because this would be wall-to-wall street covered full of people. Look These old mine carts. Incredible. Just so much history. Hi there. More Indian style jewelry. My mother, her favorite color was turquoise. And she would be spending all of her money right now if she was still alive. Bunch of collectibles. Wow, that's cool. The Native American indigenous American Indian culture is very strong here in the southern Arizona. Actually, all over Arizona. Navajo people are great people, even to this day. So cool. The attention to detail. I miss going to the roadsides and having all the Indians on the side of the road selling this. This is way before all the casinos. These dolls are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Bookstore, Old West Books. This is the Sal's Goods that was here earlier. So cool, look. Whoops, my bad. Old Railroad, Southern Pacific. That's how everybody got in and out of Tombstone right there. Center. Hi there. A lot of cool places here. And here we are. Okay, Corral. This is the big historical gunfight right here. Beyond those gates that are blocked off, they do a reenactment. Let's see if I can peek around. Yeah, they do a reenactment of the shooting here. And then they have this park that they've tried to keep historical as much as possible. Nope, not going to be able to get in there. Ah, bummer. That's where the big shooting was. This is pretty much the end of the road that's been preserved. That is the courthouse over there. I'm gonna go give you a tour of that. I head that way. Edward L. Shefflin, probably butchered his name, 1847 to 1897. Oh, maybe they are doing the reenactment right now. Prospector and miner whose discoveries of silver in 1877 and 1878 at the Tombstone Lucky Cuss. Gold enough turn it? Good Lord. Mining claims led to the founding of the city of Tombstone, the statue created by sculptor Tim Task of St. David, made possible in 2022 thanks to the generous gifts of Charlie Harris Redmond III of Tombstone and by the direction of Mayor Dustin, oh good Lord, S. Cupel, and City Council members Barlow, and Neubauer and Reagan. Okay, note to self, don't read out loud. Me don't know English. Cool statue. Another place to eat here on the corner. And this is kind of like the main strip to come and down and park. So this is where it starts to become David Road. They still have a bunch of stuff all over the place. Old tiny inns, hot places. A lot of old homes, not quite in the 1880s, but early 1900s. They've preserved a lot of them. There's I can't remember, I think, don't quote me, but it was in the 40s, 1940s. There was a bad fire and a lot of stuff. Courthouse. Thanks for everybody joining me on this adventure today. I'm still working out my kinks. I'll get it. I'll get it here. I'll get my stride. Thanks for everybody being here. If you guys can give me a follow, a sub, greatly appreciate it. If you can give a thumbs up, share the word. It helps my channel to grow, and then it gives me more opportunities to go out and do things like this. Love y'all. I'll see you on the next one.